Hey, you lucky people. My name is Sean, and this is Sean's Stocks. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please use your own judgment and do your own due diligence on anything that I talk about today. Today, we're going to continue talking about the underdog, the lucky stock, the one and only Clov, C-L-O-V. This is my 7th video that I've made on Clov. If you want to binge watch those, there is a link in the description below to a playlist. If you appreciate my following on Clov and want to get this video out to more people and spread the word about Clov's momentum, please like this video, share with a friend or community, and subscribe. I really want to get to 200 subscribers soon, and the more likes, comments, and subscribes, the more the YouTube algorithm is likely to say, hey, I'll push out this video to more people and see that they get more interested in this idea of Clover. So with that being said, let's get started. In the last video I made, I talked about 10 reasons why I like this stock. So here are 5 more reasons why I still like this stock. Number 1, the insider lockup period for Clov. Insiders cannot sell a single Class B share until the price is $30 for at least 90 consecutive days. Let me show you that real quick. So if you go right over here to this SEC archive form here, it says the performance requirement will be satisfied if we achieve a volume-weighted average stock price of above a threshold of $30 for a period of 90 consecutive calendar days. So that is good news, right? We have something to get people motivated to get the stock up. We want the business to be successful. At the end of the day, we do want this business to be successful. And the fact that that is $30, 90 consecutive days is really promising. This does go in hand with the fact that Clover Health has $685 million of cash on hand as shown here. I am not fearing dilution of the stock. It has many of the same attributes of the other squeezes this year, but this is the only one that is sitting on a pile of cash and in a solid growth industry. Number two, the potential for Medicare to decrease to below age 65. If the current sitting president's healthcare proposal works out, this would be a positive catalyst for the stock as it would instantly create millions of new beneficiaries. Number 3, going hand in hand with the age decrease for Medicare, we also have a Democrat-connected family member, Chelsea Clinton, as a member of Clover's board of directors. No matter what side you are on politically, you must admit that a connection like that is pretty advantageous with the current administration. And this is the page on it. They have it on Clover Health's website. They talk about Chelsea Clinton, that she has served as a member of Clover's board of directors since February of 2017. So pretty advantageous stuff right there, no matter what side you're on politically. Number 4, Fintel is saying that there are 0 shorts available, which is pretty remarkable. Think about that for a bit. No more short shares available. Let's look at that. And that is right here on this page, fintel.io website here. And as you can see here, 6/8/2021, 0 short shares availability, right? And so that is going to be another big factor for this stock. Number 5 is Ortex's Twitter says the stock has a short interest at 45.56%, as you can see here, of the free float, with 51.2 million shares shorted. And so they keep on doubling down. Yesterday I mentioned that it was 44.16%. They keep on doubling down. This is not a short squeeze that we're currently saying. I would say that this is a gamma squeeze currently, but the big movement has not happened yet. I repeat, this has not happened yet based on the numbers and what I see at least. Again, it's not financial advice, and cross-check with your own due diligence. Also, keep in mind, Clov is a market disruptor. They want to use technology to improve healthcare outcomes, saving money while generating profit. I do believe, though, that the stock is going up rapidly. It can be a key, with the stock going up rapidly, it can be a key player in the healthcare sector in the future. So with that being said, let's look at the day. Holy crap. This day was pretty crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty dang crazy. The volume is almost at 3/4 of a billion shares for the day. 735 million shares in total. That is the most I've ever seen. Maybe some other stocks have gone up that high in volume. That is the most I've ever seen for a stock, right? And at the opening bell, the stock started off at $16.64. That was such a big jump from the previous day's $11.92, and I hope we continue to see big jumps like this in the after hours and the pre-market in the future. Moving forward, we saw a rapid takeoff right about 10:35 a.m. It went all the way up to $24.93. That was crazy, and I would say that those people that sold there are lucky, and I'm only saying that because if I sold there, I would definitely buy when it dropped down by 32% at $16.69. That would be probably the luckiest play of the entire day. That quick 1 hour drop, right, of 32%. That's insane. But the great news is that this stock is ruthless, and the people that held out through that crazy dip that we had, that crazy dip right there, made the run to $23.80 feel even sweeter. So scary, but a lot of fun. Basically, for the rest of the day, the stock did consolidate right around the $21 mark. Basically on and off, up and down, $21 throughout the entire rest of the day. And it ended off the day pretty strong, right at a total of $22.15, with the after hours going up to $23.80. While looking at the VWAP, we can see that today was very bullish. Besides that bear trap to $16.69, this stock was very bullish and above the VWAP for most of the day. As always, it's simple. More volume will cause more pressure, which will cause Clove to have a higher probability of going up. We are in a gamma squeeze. That's my belief. The stock rose 93.27% in one day. That's including the after hours. One day, ladies and gentlemen, 93.27%. That's a move. And it's interesting to see how much the stock is going to move tomorrow, which is Wednesday, right? Thursday. It's going to be interesting as well. So I would see, with this momentum, with that consolidation at $21 and going up and down, with this much crazy amount of volume, I believe that it still has a ton of potential. Looking at the beginning of the day, we saw a huge amount of volume right at opening, and that at opening was 73 million. 73 million, and it went up. Okay, so I think that we're going to see great stuff going forward. And again, check out my other 6 videos in the description below about Clove. And if you like this content and want me to continue following Clove this closely, hit the like button, subscribe, and have a great trading day, you lucky people. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Take care.